Hello everyone, my name is Marie and I'm an LOA at Arcus Lending under Raul Rosado. Some of you are likely here because you received an email like this and you're not sure where to go or how to use the portal. This video will take you on a step-by-step guide for uploading items. For the purpose of this video, I will be using my legal name, which is Diamond, to upload documents, as is required in all loans. Here, the email shows us all the documents that have been requested, as well as a due date and an upload link. For this video, we will go directly to Visit Your Loan portal at the bottom. Click this link and it will take us to the portal login. Your password will be the last 4 digits of your social security number. Once you log in, it may take you to the loan application. If you already filled out your 1003, you don't need to worry about this. But if you haven't, this is a great way to get started. Otherwise, we can go directly to My Documents. Here I have a document already in the storage, but I need more to upload. So I already uploaded my 2018 W-2. Let's upload my 2019 W-2. Here we can click Upload Document, and it'll open up a section like this for us. The description will be to help us later on if we want to find the document, or it can be used as a note for the loan officer. The file will be a file from our own computer that we have already scanned or downloaded. I'm going to click Cassiano Diamond W-2. It's a PDF file, which we love. And we're going to open that. And then I'm going to select if it is on the requested list. This is going to be my 2019 W-2, so I can just go ahead and upload that document when it's ready. Now I have both my W-2s uploaded. If one of them is a mistake, or I uploaded the wrong document, I can press this minus sign, and it'll give me the option to delete the file. You can also go to the home and it'll show you all the documents that you have uploaded thus far. If you have any more questions or concern, you can call or email us at this link. Otherwise, there is also a section where you can send a message that will be posted on this board for you to see. Thank you, everyone. I hope you have a great day, and we're waiting to hear from you soon. Goodbye!